Mindfulness meditation has many potential benefits for both mental and physical health. Here are some of the most commonly cited uses of mindfulness meditation. Stress reduction, anxiety relief, depression management, improved sleep, pain management, improved focus and concentration, increased self-awareness. These are just some of the many potential uses and benefits of mindfulness meditation. The practice has been shown to have a positive impact on overall well-being and can be an effective tool for managing a variety of mental and physical health conditions. Mindfulness meditation has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its potential benefits for both mental and physical health. The practice involves focusing on the present moment, becoming aware of our thoughts and feelings without judgment, and cultivating a non-judgmental attitude towards them. One of the most commonly cited uses of mindfulness meditation is stress reduction. The practice can help reduce stress by promoting relaxation and calmness, and by increasing our ability to focus on the present duration. The practice can help promote relaxation and reduce stress and anxiety, which can interfere with sleep. Additionally, mindfulness meditation has been shown to be effective in reducing chronic pain by increasing our ability to tolerate discomfort and by promoting relaxation. Practicing mindfulness meditation can also have a positive impact on cognitive performance. By training our minds to remain focused on the present moment, we can improve our ability to concentrate and stay focused. Additionally, mindfulness meditation can increase our self-awareness by helping us become more aware of our thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations, and by cultivating a non-judgmental attitude towards them. Overall, mindfulness meditation has been shown to have a positive impact on overall well-being and can be an effective tool for managing a variety of mental and physical health conditions. By regularly practicing mindfulness meditation, individuals can improve their ability to cope with stress, reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, improve sleep quality, and promote relaxation and calmness. Breath awareness meditation. Breath awareness meditation is a popular form of mindfulness meditation that involves focusing on the sensations of breathing. The practice typically involves finding a comfortable seated position and bringing attention to the breath, observing the sensations of air moving in and out of the nostrils, or the rise and fall of the chest or belly. During breath awareness meditation, the goal is to simply observe the breath without judgment or trying to change it in any way. When the mind begins to wander, as it inevitably will, the practice is to gently bring attention back to the breath and refocus on the present moment. Breath awareness meditation can be practiced for as little as a few minutes or for longer periods of time, such as 20 to 30 minutes. The practice can be done anywhere and at any time, making it a convenient way to incorporate mindfulness into one's daily life. Research has shown that breath awareness meditation can have a variety of benefits for both mental and physical health. The practice has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, improve attention and focus, and promote feelings of calmness and relaxation. Additionally, regular practice of breath awareness meditation has been linked to improvements in cardiovascular health and respiratory function. Overall, breath awareness meditation is a simple yet powerful practice that can help cultivate mindfulness and promote overall well-being. By regularly practicing breath awareness meditation, individuals can improve their ability to focus on the present moment, reduce stress and anxiety, and promote relaxation and calmness in their daily lives. Breath awareness meditation offers a range of benefits for both mental and physical health. Here are some of the key benefits. Reduces stress and anxiety. Breath awareness meditation has been shown to help reduce symptoms of stress and anxiety. By focusing on the breath and bringing attention to the present moment, individuals can cultivate a sense of calmness and relaxation. Improves focus and attention. Regular practice of breath awareness meditation can help improve cognitive function, including focus and attention. By training the mind to stay focused on the present moment, individuals can improve their ability to concentrate and avoid distraction. Promotes relaxation and better sleep. Breath awareness meditation has been shown to be effective in promoting relaxation and reducing insomnia. By calming the mind and body, individuals may find it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Improves cardiovascular health. Regular practice of breath awareness meditation has been linked to improvements in cardiovascular health, including lower blood pressure and improved circulation. Reduces symptoms of depression. Breath awareness meditation has been shown to be effective in reducing symptoms of depression. By bringing attention to the present moment and developing a non-judgmental attitude towards thoughts and feelings, individuals can cultivate a sense of self-compassion and improve their mood. Overall, breath awareness meditation is a simple yet powerful practice that can have a positive impact on both mental and physical health. By incorporating this practice into one's daily routine, individuals can cultivate a greater sense of mindfulness and well-being. Here are the steps to practice breath awareness meditation. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed for the duration of your meditation. Sit in a comfortable seated position with your spine straight. Close your eyes or keep them slightly open with a soft gaze towards the ground. Take a few deep breaths to relax your body. Begin to bring your attention to your breath. Observe the sensation of your breath as it flows in and out of your body. You can focus on the sensation of the air moving in and out of your nostrils, or the rise and fall of your chest or belly. As you observe your breath, try to maintain a non-judgmental attitude towards any thoughts, feelings, or sensations that arise. Simply acknowledge them and gently bring your attention back to your breath. Continue to focus on your breath for a period of time, such as 5 to 10 minutes, or longer if desired. When you're ready to end your meditation, take a few deep breaths and slowly open your eyes. Remember, the goal of breath awareness meditation is to simply observe your breath without judgment or trying to change it in any way. If your mind begins to wander, as it inevitably will, gently bring your attention back to your breath and the present moment. With regular practice, you may find that you're able to stay more focused and present during your meditation, as well as in your daily life. Here are some references for further information on breath awareness meditation. Mindful. How to practice breath awareness meditation. https://www.mindful.org/how-to-practice-breath-awareness-meditation/ Headspace. How to do breath awareness meditation. https://www.headspace.com/meditation/breath-awareness-meditation. UCLA Mindful Awareness Research Center. Breath meditation. http://mark.ucla.edu/body.cfm?id=22. American Psychological Association. What are the benefits of mindfulness? https://www.appa.org/monitor/2012/07-08/c-corner. Harvard Health Publishing. Mindfulness meditation may ease anxiety, mental stress. https://www.health.harvard.edu/blog/mindfulness-meditation-may-ease-anxiety-mental-stress-201401086967. Hi there. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this content, I'd love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when I post new videos, and you'll be supporting me in creating more valuable content. Plus, it's free and easy to do. Just click on the subscribe button below, and you'll be all set. Thanks so much for your support.